Oh, welcome to Garwe Talk Show. Awale, take an example. Mugoro Bakambia, especially Siamanako, Teteka, Africa. Okay? The lifestyle in Teka America, Guame, is all fake. Okay? I repeat, is all fake. Nathan one. Okay? Nathan one, cooking struggles. Okay? Until she's something she realized. Okay? Nathan one, they fighting for attention. Okay? Good kano, baga jogu. Oh, you look good. Oh my God, you're driving a nice car. Oh my God, you're so rich. Oh my God, I see you eating this to work a 5-star, 10-star restaurant, right? To meet, you person to tan your post, tan me take a kun me ton me yo. Kun a ton na me terega dung me terega me tot me tot me terega dung bird me ton nan. Okay? Terega chip diet a ton nan. Alright? Kun more me take almost $100. Right? Be able pose. Right? Yes. You take a pure shot. Right? Be able pose. And then you assume that Benedict Oken became a witch or a jin rich person, right? But it's all fake. Linga gwa jin Ramadan taka Africa, linga gwa, because lifestyle me most of us need to contact a Western world chika set up keje. Okay? It's because they want attention. Again, I say it again, because God can attention, right? Missy Ranchinen Delicate BMW, okay? BMW meter 150,000, okay? CNN Ramachek loan to the money. It will take them about 7-8 years to pay that car off, right? But outside he look normal, but he cannot sleep at night. Okay? He cannot sleep at night. So if you ask me, if you say, God, why emuchi jel ketrubil me takaramichi ramami, kia gwantie gadu. Emuchi jel ketrubil me chareka dungwantie gadu chia biya mamo. My answer would be like, Goro banyan kawar. Right? That will be me. Okay? I want to protect my mind. I want to protect my peace. I want to protect my body. I do not want a bunch of stress. I'm already working for somebody already. I'm building somebody's dream. Because remember, if you are working right now, let it tell. Let me company marker. Chilen roduka. Okay? You are helping that person dream. But you can also attend that. Do you read bon money? Okay? Do you read? And instead of learning to build that person dream, you can work for yourself too. So you the third you know Tony. Chuo binyoko denike turbil medodian. Okay? Chuo bu danike ka another person. Ku ramadadian dealership bang no ku can make riches too. Bang, you building their dream. Okay? And then you over here chinin kawar because good attention. Right? Like America Guame, Nathan one. They will die. Mikaran joke. For 1 year, Mikani joke to, oh my God, Trubil Nanagiri is so nice. You look good on that car, right? Like you look good on your Air Jordan, right? Give Gucci belt. I get me a regular belt. It's doing the same job, right? Like I tell me go to Gadget. Send over about good or the Gucci belt. There were maybe go Walmart, Costco. I could go get me a belt that holds the same job as the Gucci belt, right? They doing the same thing. So why goro de wo de ne ke gat it because it goro banana na. Why? Huh? Who do I think I am? I'm nobody. Just like you too. You nobody, right? You just living the way you want to live. That's the only thing. Until Chinamoishi understand, huh? Jira mo metanka America guame, especially the community that. Until Chinamoishi understand, oh, nobody really care. Okay? Nobody care about your Gucci belt. Nobody really care about your BMW car that you struggling with. Okay? Nobody even know you don't sleep at night. Okay? But you can tell, Mitega struggle, you can tell from their faces, from their action. Okay? From how they talk. They don't talk calm. Okay? They do not talk calm. They talk aggressively, right? Like they talk like chikungwang. Okay? Kumura jalo jira michungwang. That means something inside that is not it's not fixed. Okay? So fake lifestyle more Kanye witch first. That mindset Kanye witch first. Or dormigori togo be a cock. She a cock because by wood joke and a cocaine or menani chikoki mugwalong. Coco carwado. Abarar they like the first. Lara legend carwado turbile me. Yes. Bakok kabanian kawar. Right? Tell a bang to being a chol. It take a little fame and me take a G. Take a insurance, me being a chol, it take a insurance which are cancelled because tell you to your pay. Right? You do not want that. But a lot of people, they are operating that way. I used to do the same things, man. Okay? I used to do the same things. But for all this year, I was observing the lifestyle in America. I was observing it. And analyze in two different categories, okay? Toward the richest, the one that acting rich but they poor, and the one that acting poor but they're rich. Now, I have to choose, right? Yes. And I make my decision with no validations from outside. Nobody will ever tell me, got which, Madonna Chikok, you look good at it. I will say thank you. Simple as that. But generally, because I need that attention. No. Lalaje, because of me. I want to protect myself. I want to be able to buy anything I want. Not because Changa force, right? But a lot of people, they will get a car loan. So Bakula force to pay the car. Otherwise, we can't gonna pay y'all. Guess what gonna happen? Bakar Baban Inpan, Baban Nang, in front of you. But you ain't got nothing to say. Then when you do that, even the most embarrassed things, okay? Guess what? Now it come to really struggle. Now it's your credit card, it's your credit it's a mess up. Tell it to bill Medi loan bo. Okay? And then we got back no bonnet. Ba credit do ba jug by. And then the same thing to jack. Right? Yeah. So do you want that? Or you just want to live a simple life until you will be able to afford what you can do? Because it's all about affording some things that is coming from your effort, from your works, not overworking. Like right now, somebody tell that I take a 2 job just to pay that car off, right? You see, you're working 2 jobs. You work for the company and you work for the bank, right? Still I know car loan jigger. That's not what I'm saying. Let it know miss you overdue, right? Miss you overdue. Then now it's become a habit that don't let you sleep at night, right? Like we want that kind of habit. Like let's say, anga de goroni deja chalke ka wer ni chang ka kui belly. Anga. I don't think anybody want to do that. But here in America, that's where we find somebody, right? So, Gargwelen, do not. Muguro binyan anaj agwa. Protect yourself and protect your peace and protect your mind, okay? So, if you want to loan a car, think twice. If you are able to pay it off, yes, you are free to do so. If you want if you want to work for a bank, yes, you are free to do so. And if you will be able to sleep at night, yes, you are free to do so. Until then, if you are not, okay, if you are not in that position, do not put yourself in that position because gory validation from random people. Because those random people don't care about you and they don't give a about you also, okay? So live the best life as you can and afford it, okay? Because it's all about affording the life you want, not the life that other people want for you, okay? Otherwise, I see you next time.